Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi ji is the father of nation. Mahatma Gandhi, born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, India. Mahatma Gandhi full name is Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi's father name is Karamchandra Gandhi and mother name is Putli Bai Gandhi. Mohandas' wife name is Kasturi Bai Gandhi. He has 4 sons: Harilal, Manilal, Ramdas, Devdas. Mahatma Gandhi ji born and raised in a Hindu family in coastal Gujarat. Gandhi trained in the law at the Inner Temple, London, and was called to the bar at age 22 in June 1891. After 2 uncertain years in India, where he was unable to start a successful law practice, he moved to South Africa in 1893 to represent an Indian merchant in a lawsuit. He went on to live in South Africa for 21 years. It was here that Gandhi raised a family and first employed non-violent resident in a campaign for civil rights. In 1915, aged 45, he returned to India and soon set about organizing peasants, farmer and urban laborers to protest against actual land tax and discrimination. Assuming leadership of the National Congress of India in 1921, Gandhi led nationwide champion for easing poverty. Gandhi adopted the short dhoti woven with handspun yarn, which he is invented spinning wheel. He began to live in a self-sufficient resident community, to eat simple food and undertake long fasts as a mean of both. British imposed salt tax with the 400 kilometer 2050 ml Danti Salt March in 1930 and calling for the British to quit India in 1942. He imprisoned many times and for many years in both South Africa and India. Gandhi's vision of an independent India based on religion pluralism was challenged in the early 1940 century by a Muslim nationalism which demanded a separate homeland for Muslims within British India. In August 1947, Britain granted independence, but the British India Empire was partitioned into two dominions and a Hindu majority India and a Muslim majority Pakistan has many displaced Hindus. Muslim and Sikhs made their way to their new lands. Religions violence broke out, especially in the Punjab and Bengal. Abstaining from the official celebration of independence, Gandhi visited the affected area, attempting to alleviate distress. In the months following, he undertook several hunger strikes to stop the religion violence. The last of these began in Delhi on 12 January 1948. When he was 78, also had the indirect goal of preserving India to pay out some cash assets owned to Pakistan. Although the government of India relented as did the religion reuters. The belief that Gandhi had been too resolute in his defense of both Pakistan and Indian Muslims, especially those based in Delhi, spread among some Hindus in India. Among these was Nathuram Godse, a militant Hindu nationalism from Western India who assassinated Gandhi by firing 3 bullets into chest at an interfaith prayer meeting in Delhi on 30 January 1948. The Gandhiji died on 30 January 1948 at age 78 in Delhi, India. Thank you.